Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's discuss computer science. In my previous lecture, we have covered all the important normal forms: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF. Okay. Now let us see some previous year questions which were asked on normal forms in UGC NET. Okay. If you check these normal forms, okay. If you check the questions here, the very first question is match the following, where they have given couple of normal forms and their definitions. So we need to match those. Okay, let us check here. We are very much clear about second normal form and third normal form. For these kind of match the following questions, we should follow the elimination method. Okay, we should follow the elimination method. If you are very clear about at least two options, so the answer will be very easy to find out. Okay, see here we are very much clear about the second normal form and third normal form. What is the second normal form? For a second normal form, there should be no partial dependency, and non-primary and non-prime attribute should be fully functionally dependent on the prime attribute. That is second normal form. And third normal form, there should be no transitive dependency in between the non-prime attributes. There should be no transitive dependency. Okay, these are the two definitions. Okay, we are aware to second normal form and third normal form. Okay, let us try to solve using first of all those two. Otherwise, we'll go for third one. Okay, if you check here, for second normal form, transitive dependencies are there, so it is not the right option. Multi-values valued attributes removed. No, it is not right answer. Contains no partial functional dependencies. So absolutely this is the right answer for second normal form. For second normal form, there should be no partial functional dependencies. It should be full functional dependency. Okay, in between a prime and non-prime attribute. Okay, and for third normal form, transitive dependencies should be eliminated. Okay, second one is no partial dependencies, partial functional dependencies. Third normal form is transitive dependencies will be eliminated. So we find these two options. So for 2 we find C as correct. For 3 A is we find A is the correct answer. Let us check. For 2, for this option, 2 is C, 3 is C. Is there any other option having the same thing? No. So we can straight away go for option B. Okay, here if you even check for fifth and fourth normal form, in fourth normal form we used to eliminate multi-valued attributes, and in fifth normal form we used to remove the joint dependency between the attributes. Okay, so the answer is B here. Next question is, multi-valued dependency among attributes is checked at which level? We just discussed about multi-valued attributes in the previous question. It will be checked in the fourth normal form. So the answer is C. Next question. See, again I have written all the definitions of the normal forms here. First normal form will be used for removing multi-valued attributes and composite attributes, because attributes should be in atomic form. And second normal form defines about full functional dependency. There should be no partial dependency. And third normal form explains about transitive dependency between the attributes. We should eliminate transitive dependency. And BCNF explains about every determinant is a candidate key. If there is a functional dependency, if you are defining something, and the determinant should be a candidate key. That is the only rule for BCNF. For fourth normal form, we are eliminating the multi-valued dependency, and for fifth normal form we have to eliminate the joint dependency. These are the 5 normal forms. We should be very clear, because every year at least one question will be coming from normal forms, so it's very important topic. if you go to next question, if a relation, one second, yeah, if a relation is in second normal form and third normal forms, then if a relation is in second normal form and third normal form, then what will be the right answer from the given four choices? The first one is no non-prime attributes is functionally dependent on other non-prime attribute. Okay, a non-prime attribute is functionally dependent on other non-prime attribute. This is correct about second normal form, because in second normal form we should eliminate the partial dependencies. There should be full functional dependency. Okay, next option is okay, option A is correct, but it tells about only second normal form. Let's check for the remaining three. No non-prime attribute is functionally dependent on prime attributes. It's absolutely wrong. Non-prime attribute should be functionally dependent on prime attribute. Okay, all attributes are functionally independent. This is not correct. How come a functional dependency all attributes can be independent? It's not correct. The next option is prime attribute is functionally independent of all non-prime attributes. Prime attribute is functionally independent of all non-prime attributes. It's correct. Prime attribute is functionally independent of all non-prime attributes. It's correct, but it is not relevant to the topic. Here the relevant answer is no non-prime attribute is functionally dependent on other non-prime attribute. Okay, so here the answer is A. Why? Because in second normal form we should ensure full functional dependency. Okay, the answer is here even in option D also, prime attribute is functionally independent. It should be fully functionally independent. It should not depend on other non-prime attributes. It's a general criteria, but it is not talking about any normal forms here. So option A is correct. And next question is, if a relation is in second normal form, okay, we already discussed second normal form. What it will do? It will do full functional dependency between the prime and non-prime attributes. Okay, every candidate key is a primary key. No, this is not the correct answer. Every non-prime attribute is fully functionally dependent on each relation key. Yes, based on the candidate key, it should be fully functionally dependent. And every attribute is fully functionally independent. Not the right answer. Why? Because if every attribute is independent, we can't define any functional dependency. Okay. And next thing is, every relational key is a primary key. It is not relevant. So the answer is B. Every non-prime attribute is fully functionally dependent on each relation key. Next one. Which of the following is true? A relation is in third normal form always in BCNF. A relation is third normal form is always in BCNF. BCNF and third normal form are same. A relation in third normal form is not in BCNF is not in third normal form. See, first of all, we should know about the difference between third normal form and BCNF. Okay. The thing is that for sure BCNF and third normal form are not same. The thing is that for third normal form, the decomposition should be lossless and dependency preserving, and there should be no transitive dependency. In theoretical format, in formula manner, we can say like x determines y. X should be a primary key, and y or y x determines y. X determines y. X should be a primary key, or else y is a prime attribute. Okay, these are the two rules. But for BCNF, if x determines y, x should be a primary key. That's it. Only first rule. This is the primary differences. See, if the relation is in third normal form, There is a possibility it can be in the BCNF also, but if a relation is in BCNF, okay, there is no guarantee it will be in third normal form. Why? Because for BCNF we can find some of the functional dependencies are not preserved. So if the functional dependencies are not preserved, it cannot be in third normal form. So this is the basic difference between third normal form and BCNF. Okay, I have already explained the differences in a different lecture. Please go through that. This is the diagram. We can remember this: first normal form and second normal form. Okay, for BCNF and third normal form. Okay, there is no guarantee if it is a BCNF it will be in third normal form, but if it is in third normal form it will satisfy third normal form and BCNF properties. Okay, thank you very much.